Kiki, owner of Egiptegyptianne collection, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is my morning routine skincare. So y'all got my rag. I'm trying to get my skincare products. Sorry y'all, I just woke up and just got in the shower, got dressed. Now it's time to wash my face. I'm gonna go in with my daily cleanser. So if you watch my night skincare routine, you'll know that some of the products may be the same, some may be not. So I'm going to come back when all the stuff is clear off my face. Yeah, I'm gonna come in, y'all. I did this off camera, but then I'm going with my wake up call. It's tea tree mint face wash, and I'm gonna let this sit while I'm on camera with y'all since I did off camera. My bad, y'all. It's just I'm going to work in the morning and I need to wash my face because, yeah. Let this dry. It's also there. It needs to be clear. But it needs to be hot. It's cold. It's just getting there. That was really so important to wash your face. To really we're done with all of that. We're done with the waters. I do have a towel this time. The face feels so refreshing. Face feels so good. Now we're gonna go with my Cetaphil moisturized lotion. You gotta moisturize your face after you wash your face, or however so many skincare products you put. But a few less steps should be moisturizing your face. That's so rough right now. And just like that, y'all. Fresh face, clear not skin, but clear of nothing on. Fresh face, period. And this is the end. So if you want to see more videos from me, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.